So everyone knows that you can make money on YouTube once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But what if I told you that you can make money from your very first video that you post on your channel? I manage currently 4 active channels, 2 of which are monetized and 2 of which are in the process of getting monetized. Today I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without being monetized. So here we have one of my newer YouTube channels. As you can see, I have 445 subscribers, and just going into the section where you apply for monetization, I don't reach the requirements. Like I said, 445 subscribers. I do have the 3 videos uploaded within the last 98 days, but I only have 689 hours of watch time. So this channel is actually doing pretty good, getting like anywhere between 200 to 1,000 views per video. One of my videos here got 2,000 views, which is pretty awesome. And I just want to show you guys. Let me click on this one here, my newest video, and just tell me what you see here, other than just me. But so right here, you can see in my video description, I'm doing a couple things that could actually make me money. So you don't have to have any monetized channels to do this, one of which is using the Amazon affiliate program. So anyone could sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Basically anything that is sold on Amazon, you could link to it via YouTube description, and if somebody purchases a product on Amazon, then you will get a small commission. So the other day I actually got a sale from one of my Amazon affiliate links on this channel. As you can see, I sold some business envelopes, a 500 pack. The product itself was $29.36, and my cut of the commission was $1.17. And that was done through one of the links on this channel here. This channel is not monetized, but it still so far has made me at least $1 this week. It doesn't even have to be the product that you actually link. As you can see, I linked some team bags. If I click on it, it'll link to team bags, but I think it's within 24 or 48 hours after actually clicking on one of the links. If somebody purchases anything on Amazon, then you will get the commission for it, which is a great deal. And let me just show you guys on Amazon real quick. So here I am on Amazon. Let's say I want to advertise the microphone I'm using. So I'm using Astro A40 TR. So here is the search results. Okay, so as you can see, here is the microphone that I'm actually using. The Astro Gaming A40 TR wired headset. And I'm already signed into my Amazon Associate account. So as you can see at the top here, I could click on this yellow button to generate an Amazon affiliate link. So after I click on this button, I get that link, I go back to YouTube, I put that affiliate link in the description of the video. As you can see, I have multiple products here that people could purchase, and I'll get the commission for it. Obviously, you have to disclose that it is an affiliate link, and also have like a little disclaimer at the bottom. If you need a disclaimer, feel free to look at my video description and just see what I said. It's not like a leak. I didn't like contact a lawyer to make it or anything. I actually just copied it from another person that had a similar disclaimer. But yeah, this is one of the ways that you could actually make money from day one without having to rely on the YouTube partnership program, because it could take a while to get into. So the next thing that you could do, other than relying on the YouTube partnership program to actually make money, is just put a donation link in your description. Like you could put your Cash App, PayPal. A lot of people use a website called Buy Me a Coffee. You could just create a profile in there, and anyone watching your videos could donate to you directly, or use that website to send you money. So that's one way to do it, because a bunch of streamers on Twitch or Kick or YouTube will donate to content creators that they actually enjoy. So that's another way that you could actually make money before you actually get monetized on YouTube. And the last way that I'm able to generate some revenue from my YouTube channels that aren't monetized is utilizing the channel real estate. As you can see at the top here, it links to another video. So it links to a video that's actually posted on my channel that is monetized. and it links to a playlist again on a YouTube channel that I currently have monetized. Now, if you don't have a channel that's monetized, this method might not work for you, but just utilizing the real estate that you have on your YouTube channel, as you can see on this channel here, I know it's getting views. So one of my playlists here is videos from this current channel, but I'm also using the real estate here on this channel to have a playlist from my monetized channel. So yeah, there's a lot of different ways that you could utilize your YouTube channels that aren't in the YouTube partnership program to actually make money. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.